Welcome to Everlasting Life Awakening Ministry. It's an apostolic ministry. We are based in Nairobi, Kenya. That's where we declare the word of the Lord. My name is Apostle Frederick, and we have seen the Lord do wonders and bless people, heal people, deliver many people. And as we said before, Jesus Christ appeared unto me when I was 12 years of age, speaking unto me to begin preaching the gospel. But for many years I still was not able to carry on the work of the gospel because I was so much against going to preaching of the gospel because of three things that I thought that God was not doing in our generation. One, I told God I cannot be a preacher because preachers are very poor. What I didn't know is that in the Bible it is full of promises and it is full of examples of people that God called, and from poverty He raised them from their dunghill and He brought them to the palace. It is written that the Lord takes pleasure in the prosperity of His servants. It is also written that we know the grace of our Lord Jesus Christ, who even though He was poor, He was rich, He became poor for our sake, so that we might be rich. And we also know that God says in one of the letters of John, actually to be specific, John, the third epistle of John, verse number 3, that I wish above all things that you may prosper and be in health, even as your soul prospereth. And so God cannot be saying all those things and yet His servants are poor. And the second thing that was making me not to serve the Lord is because I thought that God doesn't answer prayers today. But we have seen Him answer prayers time and again. And the third thing was because I thought that God does not fight for His people. But we welcome you to listen and watch the testimonies of the Lord doing all these things and much more. As I said, my name is Pastor Frederick, and I am married to one wife. I have two beautiful, handsome boys, blessings and wisdom, and we are serving the Lord together, and we thank God. May you be blessed, even as you listen to this testimony. I'll come back and pray with you. God bless you.